You can add a full text to any of your SERVAL entries in the draft or public state. In order to access this functionality, click on the Advanced Entry mode, which you can access by clicking on the blue arrow to the left of the entry, and then click on Edit. You can scroll down to the full text section, and here you will find 2 links that will give you information concerning your rights and obligations with respect to sharing your full text. Don't hesitate to visit the personalized advised and consult Papago to have specific information tailored to your case. Once you're sure of what version of the publication you can share, click the copyright box and then click the Add PDF button. You will then enter the relevant information for your publication, which is the version of the manuscript, the visibility. If you choose under embargo, then you will have to specify an embargo end date, and the license if you know it. You could do the same thing for any secondary documents you may have for this publication. You can then save the changes, and since this was a draft entry, I can also publish it. But be careful, if you publish an entry that has a PDF in it, then you will in principle no longer be able to modify that PDF or eliminate it. So make sure everything is correct and that you can indeed share that PDF before you publish the entry.